Lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. All right, I haven't even been able to look at the chart, so let's see what's going on. Okay, we have London highs right here. London highs. London lows. Asia lows. Previous day lows all the way over there. This new week opening gap. London low. Asia low. We have not taken out these highs yet. Okay. We have pre-market lows. Pre-market lows. Okay, so we could have some sort of potential SMT work, but we're getting a crazy reaction right now. And if we take out these lows, which we did, then there's no SMT work. So forget the SMT work. Okay, so we came up, took out these 5-minute highs, missed London highs. Missed London highs. We do have London lows. What's the 4-hour looking like? So we haven't taken out these 4-hour highs. We were able to take out these 4-hour highs though. On NASDAQ, we did take them out. Potential bearish high time frame SMT. Wow, bank holidays on pretty much every single country except for the US. We have Trump speaking at 1. We have all of these 1-hour lows down here. Let's see what the 4 hours hitting for here. Okay, do we have any? I think I'm going insane. So what I'm honestly looking for would just be a continuation of this 4-hour. Which would pretty much be underneath these hourly lows. So what I want to see right now is that right now on the hourly, we're technically bullish. If we want to be bearish down into this 4-hour confluence, then technically we've already made the retrace up to want to rotate lower. This move up would technically be the catalyst for us to rotate lower. So what I would need to see would be actual confirmation that we are going to go lower through lower time frames. So right now we're getting pretty good retraces into these 1-minute gaps. We could, it's just really early into market open. I don't want to jump the gun and just say right when we inverse this gap, that's a trade that I want to take, because it's not. I'd rather wait like another 5 minutes. I saw Tim sleeping on the beach. That dude's already homeless, bro. He genuinely doesn't have a place to live right now. This beat is going in my brain. I think I'm out of my mind. I think I'm going insane. This beat is twisting my brain. I think I'm out. So realistically, if we look at this, we have two kind of directions that we can go. Right now, we kind of have to assume that the hourly is still bullish, which it is technically. There's a couple pivotal points. Right now, we broke structure to the upside, We retraced down, swept out these lows. On NASDAQ, same situation. We kind of can assume that this is just a 5-minute retrace. If personally, this looks like longs to me. Personally, what I would want to see would be like a for sure ski of that, and to see both of these indexes are aligned. Personally, I would want to see this gap get inverse on both of these. NASDAQ seems like the better one to take longs on because it's closer to these London highs. We got to get out of this gap first. We're bullish on the 5-minute. That's something that you guys need to keep in mind. So if we start disrespecting 1-minute bearish gaps, then, you know, we already broke 1-minute structure back to the upside. That typically, for me, would cause me to take a long. I'm going to be a little bit more patient, and I'm going to wait to see if this gap gets inverse. If this gap gets inverse, I'm gonna take this shit on NASDAQ. Again, you guys don't have to take the same trades as me. I'm an absolute idiot. That's just kind of what I see. I want to make sure ES inverses this as well. So I want to make sure that we're in line on all of these. So we don't get it on ES. We barely get it on NASDAQ. See, I do not like that. I don't like the fact that ES, we didn't get it. NASDAQ, we barely got it. Even if we're pushing up like this, I don't care. I need to see ES inverse this to the upside. And I'm fine getting a later entry because of it. And to be honest, what I might do is I might go like half risk. I mean, I'll have to see it. We'll have to see if ES stays in this gap or not. If ES inverses this, then awesome, we're green. If not though, then see, this is why we're smart. This is why we don't do shit like this. We gotta wait. So let's see. It's not looking good right now on ES. Not having it. That's why we wait. That's why we wait. Red folder at 10. I know, I don't think it'll do much to be completely honest with you. I'm not really worried about the red folder news. See, this is why we wait, guys. This is why we be patient. This is why we wait for our confluences, because had we taken that, that would have been detrimental. We would have been panicking. 10:05 news? What is it? Trump speaks at 1. So this is a good retrace right here. If we can respect this bullish gap on NASDAQ, I'm gonna smack this. Yeah, and if ES can close like this, honestly, what I just want to see from NASDAQ is just make sure that we don't do the freaking dash. Without me, like, make sure that we have a good RR on this. But as long as we can keep a good RR, I mean, this is... As long as this trade doesn't run away without me. As long as we can close bullish like this, I'm in this. 10:05 is the deadline with Iran. Shit. Well, I'm still taking these longs. Well, I'm still gonna take these longs. I'm still gonna take these longs. Because realistically, this shit will probably hit TP for me to be able to manage half and then put stops at break even, right? So let's just negative RR. Trading like this makes me money, so can't complain, bruh. Let's see if it makes me money today, though. Let's see what else we have to the upside. Really not too much with these hourly highs. See, I don't like that bearish SMT. You said you don't feel comfortable on this one, then don't take it, bro. I'm just showing you guys what I see. If you don't like it, then you don't like it. For your freedom. See if we're respecting these gaps pretty freaking cleanly right now. As long as we can continue respecting the gaps and continue printing bullish structure, I like it. Oh, no. Let's see, I would hate if ES inverse this gap. That's like the last thing that I want. I don't want ES to inverse this gap here. I want this 1 minute structure to be maintained bullish. I want to maintain this 1 minute bullish structure. We look good on NASDAQ. On ES is the only spooky one. Luckily, those highs are like right the fuck there, so. Nah, baby. See, I don't want that to happen. See, I would hate for this to be a 5 minute bearish SMT. Just make sure ES doesn't start disrespecting these gaps down. Oh, baby. As long as ES doesn't start disrespecting these gaps, I need ES to respect this gap. If it disrespects the gap, it's starting to look scary because we have this bearish SMT. See, if we're disrespecting the gap, then I don't know how much I like this. Pop past these highs. Okay, so I'm going to close half my position here. Rest is at break even. That's a W on the day, boys. That's a W on the day. That's a W on the day. That's secured $20,000 in profit. Let's see if get this to get down like this. Boom. Let's see if we can hit final TP. Stops are at break even now. Birthday money, bruh. Birthday money. Birthday money. That's that birthday money. Birthday money. Birthday trade. See, hopefully I don't get stopped at break even. And you know it. Ladies and gentlemen, BFW. Boom, 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 boom. See if we have any other draws that look good. I mean, to be honest, all of these draws up here look fire. But I don't know if this is overly ambitious. Is it? It kind of is, right? Trying to hold all the way till these highs. It's a bit overly ambitious. I'll just, if we can get up to these highs, I'll just take full profit here. El Bozo? Nigga, we just smacked take profit. Somebody lost a trade. Somebody lost. Somebody tried to inverse me. Happy birthday. Thank you, bro. You have plans for your birthday or just staying home? My plans for my birthday was to help you guys make money today, bruh. And that's exactly what we did, so. Let's see if we can stay above break even right now. I'm so drunk, bro. What? It's 10 a.m., bro. Holy alcoholic. us, Tim, and Isaac? Bro, I don't know. I don't give a fuck. I'm drunk as well, and I'm not even joking. W alcoholic. And you guys, this is your competition, by the way, guys. People that are getting hammered at 10 a.m. MES is looking good too. Yo, now that I see this, bro, I'm gonna hold this shit until ES hits London highs, bro. Or I'll manage some of my position when NASDAQ hits these highs, but I'm just gonna let this bitch run until ES takes out London highs. So this is TP2, and then TP3 is whenever ES hits London highs. If we can get there without getting stopped out at break even. On her knees. Losing 2 minutes, I'm prepared for it. I'm ready for it. I know, News. We have stops at break even, bro. Stops are at break even, and I'm ready for it. I've already taken profit for the day. Exit trade? No, bro. Yo, I completely forgot to record for the YouTube. Fuck, I need to download the VOD from Kick. See, oh my god, I completely forgot that, bruh. I completely forgot. Nice, let's see. Oh! On her knees. All right, now we're gonna smack all take profits. Push it. Push it. Oh, holy shit, we're really close to London highs. Okay, cool. So honestly, once we take out these highs, I'm just gonna close everything. Okay, I'm closing everything here. And I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Let's see how much I made. I'm done for the day. Wow, bro, I top ticked the fuck out of that. Yo, how much did I make? How much did I make? How much did I make? Did I manipulate the market? Yo, why is my shit not loading? Yo, do not play with me right now. Don't play with me right now. Yo, where is it? Nah, where is it? Where is it? Yo. Where is it? Nah, bruh. It better have closed when I told it to. Yes! 60K on the day. 60K on the day, and that's a fucking wrap, bruh. 60K on the day, $60,630 on the freaking day, bruh. Ready? And then just because people are on bullshit, we're gonna pull this one up as well. I need to make sure I'm logged into my TradeZella, but we'll pull this up. Log in. How do I refresh this shit? There's like usually like a sync button. Where's the sync button? No trades for this day? Yes, there are trades, bro. How's Boogie? He's good. Why can't I refresh? Right. Oh, here we go. Yay, there we go. Finally loaded in. There you go. 60 rackies on the day. Good day, guys. Good day. Day's done. It's a wrap. Day's done. It's a wrap. Can you explain the trade? Sure. So, oh, this is a good song. But so, why did I take this trade? Let's do full in-depth breakdown. Okay. So, we have market open. We get big move up. We break 5-minute structure to the upside. Typically, I want to see some form of 5-minute manipulation for me to want to take a trade or any sort of manipulation. We didn't really have any during pre-market. So I see this big move up. I'm immediately thinking, okay, this is manipulation for us to go lower. If that were the case, then, or I'll get to that later. But okay, we get a big leg up. I'm immediately thinking this is manipulation for us to go lower. We get a break of structure to the upside. I'm not really too concerned with that. And price ends up coming down. I think that we're probably going to break structure, get a proper retrace, and then we'll target these London lows, these hourly lows, maybe even lower. That was my first initial thoughts. However, we make this big leg down, sweep out these lows. That's another form of manipulation. Now my mind is on two different directions because this could be a manipulation to the upside for us to go lower or a manipulation to the downside for us to go higher. And keep in mind, we already just broke structure to the upside right here on the 5-minute. So right now, what are we? We are bullish on the 5-minute and we're also bullish on the hourly. So we have to respect what current price action is telling us. Okay. We have bullish on the hourly, bullish on the 5-minute. So in turn, I kind of have to favor that bullish bias. So from there, once I see this get swept out, I'm thinking, okay, this could be one of two things. We're either going to come up, retrace into this 1-minute gap, and then respect these bearish confluences for us to go lower, or we're going to disrespect these bearish confluences, like this bearish gap right here, and then that is going to be confirmation that we're going to go higher. Because if we disrespect this gap, then that's pretty much saying, hey, we broke structure to the upside, we came down, we swept out these lows, but maintained 5-minute bullish structure, and now we're disrespecting bearish order flow to the upside, meaning we're probably going to want to target these London highs. That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what I entered off of. I entered right here once we inverse this gap. We inversed this gap early on NASDAQ, but I waited for ES to inverse it because ES was the more bearish index, so I didn't want to be get caught up. and then targeted London highs and then these hourly highs right here, and was able to close for really solid profit. And I mean, when I closed, I honestly, I got this at like the perfect time. I was able to get it all the way up here, and that's what led to me having this day. So overall, big dub. And yeah, any questions? Any questions? Why did you use inverse for value gap instead of break of structure? So this break of structure right here was valid, and I thought about entering off of this, but it was just too early on at 9:41. I typically don't take trades during that time, so I wanted to wait for a couple more minutes for a little bit more confirmation. So I entered on like the 9:45 or the 9:46 candle, and I just felt more comfortable waiting for price to give me a little bit more movement, because to be fair, I wasn't comfortable entering at 9:41 while we were still in this gap here that could potentially send us lower. And also ES didn't really give us a true break of structure to the upside. We didn't really have like a real high. This is kind of a doji candle. Couldn't really tell what it was, whether it was an up candle or a down candle. Us closing above these two candles right here, I couldn't really classify it as a full bullish break of structure. However, once I see price go up, retrace, and then respect bullish confluences and then close like this, that's like clear confirmation that price is going to go higher. So yeah. Let's see price right now. I mean, to be honest, price is setting up for good shorts. Could honestly take another trade. I would want to see a 1 minute break to the upside. So if we can get a break to the upside and then start disrespecting bearish order flow to the downside, to be honest, I don't like. There's no reason for me to put more risk on for the day. But should we FaceTime Tim and see if he made money? He probably blew his account today. Should I FaceTime him? Should I FaceTime Tim? Okay, guys, we're gonna FaceTime Tim.
What's up? Happy birthday, bro.
What's up, bro? Did you make money today?
No, we're at the car dealership right now. We've been driving.
Bro,
I seen those
you're not even
longs pay out though.
You're not even trading right now? Bro, did you just
Bro,
give up on trading?
Yeah, bro, the payout was all I needed. Are you on live right now?
Oh, yes, I'm on live, bro. What the fuck? It's my birthday and I'm trading and you're talking I gave you a $25,000 live account and you're talking about I'm at a car dealership right now?
I withdrew the 25 bands, bro. I'm about to buy a car.
Are you dead ass?
Yes, thank you, bro. Look. Look, show stream. Show stream. I'm about to.
You withdrew the 25 bands? Bro, that was for you to trade with.
You can't trade with the car, though. I mean, like. No, I'm trolling. But no, I didn't trade today. I'm not. We were in the car since like 9:20.
What? So why are you guys at a dealership?
I don't want to. Because Jesse's about to get his mom a car.
Oh, movie. All right, heard.
Yeah.
Well, bro, you got to start trading again. That shit, your money's gonna fucking run up, bro.
I know, facts.
You should have been on stream. That shit was free bread, bro. You literally would have made 5K today.
No, I seen it. I seen your lawns. I was on stream watching. I just didn't want to take the risk of like trading up for my phone, like not even watching like a proper screen.
Word. What? You didn't want to take my signal? You took my signals for 30 days.
Yeah, I know.
All right, bro.
I swear to God, I was thinking about it.
All right, peace, bro.
Yeah, I just here, bro.
What's up, boys?
Happy birthday, G.
All right, peace, boys.
All right, later.
Thanks.
Later.
Jeez, bro. I can't believe he withdrew that shit and took it straight to the dealership to buy a car, bro. Oh, my God. He's a lost cause, bro. Genuinely a lost cause, bro. Oh, my God. You chose the wrong person. I'm aware, bro. How did I like wake up on my birthday early, get on a live stream, show up for you guys, trade, and this dude Tim is talking about, yeah, nah, like I'm not trading today. I'm at a car dealership. Like, what? Is he even like whatever, bro? He's not my problem anymore. He's the world's problem, bro. He's not my problem, bro. He's not my problem no more. Sheesh, bros. Let's see if Price wants to let's see if Price, I mean, we're technically still bullish on the 5-minute, believe it or not, even though we inverse this gap. We're kind of at an interesting point right here. I would want to see Price break down. Oh my gosh, bro. Someone mentions, bro, poly market. Yo, look at this. Look at this, bro. So yesterday, wait, was it yesterday? 2 days ago. Bro, I'm pissed. So yesterday, look at this. So history. Bro, so look at this, right? I make $19,000 on the Connecticut game. I then proceed to make $9,000. So pretty much $30,000 total on the Pistons game. You guys were right. I took your guys' idea. You told me to put money on the Pistons. I did. They made money. I put money on Connecticut. They won. They made money. But then I also had 9K on Arizona. And literally right before the game, I was like, nah, bro, I should switch. I don't think Arizona's going to win. I think Michigan's going to win. So I'm like, okay, bet. I want to switch my bet. And then I forget. And then I just turn on the game and I'm like, okay, we'll see how it plays out a little bit. Boom. Gets fucked up because Michigan starts off with like a 15-point lead. And then I see the odds and I'm like, oh shit. Arizona only has a 20% chance to win. I'm going to hammer another 10K on this. So then I pretty much put 20K total. So pretty much all of my winnings from these two games on this. And then I lost it all. I don't know what I was thinking. What, put it all on the Spurs? Are the Spurs going to win? Bet. I'm down. Is that a lock? Spurs? Ooh, Spurs 76ers? Bet. I'm hammering. We'll do 8K on this. Done. And then this, Michigan's definitely going to win. But what I want to happen, Michigan's definitely going. Wait, what? Yikes, crazy, horrible. Bro, what? No, that's a lock. See, what I want to happen is, oh, I can put a limit order. Yo. Ready? What I want to do is if Michigan gets to like a 64%, bro. I want to put like, wait, nah. How many shares do I want? How many shares would it be? I don't know, but if Michigan gets to like a 64%, actually, no, I don't want to do a limit order. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch the game. I just need UConn to score like the first couple initial buckets, and then Michigan's odds are going to go lower. Maybe I put on like 5K right now. Nah, horrible. See, I need to wait. We'll wait until UConn has higher odds, and then I'll hammer the Michigan line. Bro, doing too much on his birthday? Nah, bro. I'm figuring out how I'm gonna make this pape. I'm figuring out how I'm gonna make some fucking bread, bro. What you mean? I'm not doing too much.